Om. The 14th lesson is Japa Yoga and Yoga of Synthesis, the integral yoga. First we will discuss about Japa Yoga, its meaning. Japa Yoga is the yoga of repetition of any mantra or name of God. In this yoga, the practitioner is initiated by his spiritual preceptor into some mantra or name of God or his Ishtadeva, and then he commences his spiritual sadhana by repeating the said mantra or name of the God or his Ishtadevata and attains moksha or self realization or God realization. Japa Yoga comes under Bhakti Yoga. Nonetheless, our holy scriptures and our saints, sages say that Japa Yoga is a Sampurna Yoga or complete yoga by itself. They say that Japa Yoga is the easiest, simplest, safest, surest, quickest, greatest, and most efficacious yoga in this Kali Yuga or in this Iron Age. Its necessity and importance. In this Kali Yuga or Iron Age, the health, mind, and capacity of the people is very weak, and therefore most of them cannot successfully undertake the practice of other yogas, but they can easily practice Japa Yoga and attain moksha or self realization or God realization in this human birth. Therefore, as our holy scriptures, saints, and sages say, this simple Japa Yoga is suitable to the vast majority of the people of this Iron Age or Kali Yuga. Therefore, most of the people in this Kali Yuga or Iron Age practice Japa Yoga. Such is the necessity and importance of Japa Yoga in this Kali Yuga. If you want to know more about Japa Yoga and to start, to commence Japa, to acquire detailed knowledge on this topic, please study lesson number 14 on Japa Yoga in the volume 12 of the book Youth, Arise, Awake, and Adopt the Right Path of Life, written by Swami Sivananda Saraswati and Swami Chidananda Saraswati. Second, let us discuss about the Yoga of Synthesis. Meaning, Yoga of Synthesis is the practice of Karma Yoga, Raja Yoga, Jnana Yoga, and Bhakti Yoga combinedly, with one yoga as the main yoga and other yogas as the secondary yogas. This is also known as integral yoga. Its necessity and importance. Swami Sivananda Saraswati says that man is a complex mixture of will, feeling, and thought. These three things are not separate. So also, work, devotion, and knowledge performed through his hand, head, and heart are not exclusive of one another. These three limbs are developed through practice of Karma Yoga, Raja Yoga, Jnana Yoga, and Bhakti Yoga. Therefore, man must develop his hand, head, and heart through practice of Karma Yoga, Raja Yoga, and Jnana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga combinedly. Karma Yoga will remove impurities of the mind. Bhakti Yoga will destroy tossing of the mind. Raja Yoga will steady the mind and develop concentration. And Jnana Yoga will remove the veil of ignorance and bring knowledge of the self. Therefore, a man should practice all the four yogas, and thereby he can achieve his integral development. Swami Sivananda Saraswati says, this is called as Yoga of Synthesis, and this Yoga of Synthesis alone will bring about an integral development and perfection in man and will help him to attain God realization quickly. Such is the need and importance of the Yoga of Synthesis or integral yoga. its benefits. By practicing the yoga of synthesis or integral yoga, one can develop his hand, head, and heart simultaneously. He can achieve perfection and integral development and can attain God realization in this human birth quickly. To know more about this, to acquire detailed knowledge on this topic, please study the lesson number 15 on yoga of synthesis or Samanvaya yoga or integral yoga in volume 12 of the book Youth, Arise, Awake and Adopt the Right Path of Life, written by Swami Sivananda Saraswati ji and Swami Chidananda Saraswati ji. Here ends lesson number 14 on Japa Yoga and Yoga of Synthesis.